If your Beehiiv editor is giving you trouble and you can't type, save, or load your newsletter properly, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Beehiiv editor error step by step, quickly and safely, so you can get back to writing without losing your work. And if this guide helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. First, start with the quickest fix. Refresh the Beehiiv editor page using a hard refresh. On Windows, press Ctrl plus F5. On Mac, press Command plus Shift plus R. This forces the browser to reload the page without using the old cached version, which often clears up display problems or editor glitches. After the page refreshes, give it a few seconds. Sometimes Beehiiv just needs a moment to reconnect and fully load the editor tools. Once it settles, try editing your draft again. Click into the text area, type a few words, and see if the editor responds normally. If the issue is still happening, the next smart step is to protect your content. Copy your newsletter text into a local document as a backup. You can paste it into Google Docs, Notes, Word, or any text file on your computer. This way, even if the page freezes or reloads unexpectedly, your content is safely saved somewhere else. Now go back to Beehiiv and reload the draft. Sometimes simply reopening the same draft can reset the editor state and fix the problem. If the draft was stuck or partially loaded, this step can help Beehiiv refresh the workspace and restore normal editing behavior. If that still doesn't work, open Beehiiv in an incognito or private window. This is an important test because incognito mode disables most extensions, and it also gives you a cleaner browser session. Open the same draft inside the private window and check whether the editor works normally there. If it does, then the problem is likely coming from your browser cache, cookies, or an extension interfering with Beehiiv. At that point, the next fix is to clear your browser cache and cookies. This removes old stored data that may be causing the editor to behave incorrectly. After clearing them, close your browser completely and reopen it. Then log back into Beehiiv and open your draft again. A fresh session like this often solves stubborn editor issues that don't go away with a regular refresh. If you've made it this far, one of these steps should usually fix the Beehiiv editor error. To recap, start with a hard refresh, wait a few seconds, back up your content, reload the draft, test Beehiiv in an incognito window, and if needed, clear cache and cookies before logging back in. This is the safest way to troubleshoot without risking your newsletter content. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.